You're looking at the smartwatch with a battery life of 60 days. It changes watch faces automatically and you can remotely control YouTube videos and play your favorite music by the click of a button. It looks awesome, and all this in just under $60. Welcome back, you're watching TabletGuy and today's gadget is the Tinwoo smartwatch. Any point of time, if you want to buy this watch, there are discounted links in the description below. So without further ado, let's dig into it. So we did a quick unboxing and inside the box was a Tinwoo T20W, the device itself, a magnetic charging cord, a user manual, quick start guide. Let's go quickly through the specification. It has a display of 1.3-inch full round display, 240 by 240 resolution. The frame is made of stainless steel and the strap is of TPU material. It's a complete 580 mm water resistance. It means that you can swim in the water without any problems. It charges in two ways. There is a magnetic USB charger and a wireless charger as well, but the wireless charger is not included in the box. You have to purchase it separately, or probably you have to use your standard wireless chargers. The working time is 30 to 45 days, but the standby mode is up to 60 days. Believe me, this watch doesn't need to charge at all. This charges one time for 2 hours and it will work for months. The battery is lithium polymer 300 mAh and the controller is Nordic 52A32 ARM Cortex M4 64 KB plus 512 KB storage, and there's a heart rate sensor, a Bluetooth. The app is a Tinwoo smartwatch app which is supported by iOS 9.0 and Android 5.0 or above. Now let's get into the design. In terms of the shape, the smartwatch has an elegant, stylish look that is suitable for both men and women. The body of the watch is made up of stainless steel and zinc alloy material and has a decent weight of 52 grams, light enough to make it comfortable to wear all day long. On the right side, you'll find 3-button design where all the buttons are functional. The top one is a power button, the middle one is used to activate the stopwatch, and the bottom one is used to switch sport mode. Around the back, you'll get a heart rate sensor and a port where you can connect the magnetic charging pins. For the strap, it uses TPU material, which means that the band can be extremely flexible, durable, and smooth for the touch. It comes with 4 different color options to choose from. For the display, the Tinwoo smartwatch features a 1.3-inch touch display that has enough brightness to make it readable even in the daylight. Even if you want, you can adjust the brightness based on the light conditions you're in. The display has a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels, providing sharp, clear, vivid colors. Its premium Japanese AGC tempered glass protects it from scratches and makes it durable. Moreover, it comes with 14 different watch faces that you can cycle through and decide which one you wanted on your screen. You can also download a lot of watch faces from the net and through the app, and you can also get an always-on display supporting to enhance your user experience. For fitness fanatics, the smartwatch offers 8 different sport modes for outdoor activities such as hiking, badminton, walking, running, yoga, cycling that helps to train yourself better. Each sport mode have a different metrics customized that particular activity. It also has an advanced optical sensor that monitors your heart rate throughout the day. But the great thing about this smartwatch, it gives you an alert if you get too low or too high on your heart rate. Moreover, the watch is capable of providing accurate wellness data such as step counts, distance covered, calories burned, etc. You can monitor your sleep with its automatic sleep monitoring feature. It basically uses a sensor to track down your insights into your sleep, such as light sleep, deep sleep, giving you an actionable insight the next morning. Now let's check out the app. To pair the Tinwoo smartwatch, you have to install an app called Tinwoo from the Play Store or the App Store that you have in your respective mobiles. It's an official app used by Tinwoo devices to pair up your smartwatch with your smartphone, and you can use this app for both Android and iOS platforms. By using this app, you can monitor your data including steps, calorie burn, and distance. Monitor resting heart rate for 24 hours, exercise rate for the period of the exercise, including average heart rate and highest heart rate. Get insights of your sleep. Information includes start and end time, light sleep, and deep sleep. Set daily activity goals, alarm, and the time for reminders to move. Customize when you get the text message, alerts, and phone calls. Change units, example changing Celsius to Fahrenheit, and there's a lot of other features and functionalities that we can see in this app. So a lot of you have been asking me lately about the waterproof ratings of the smartwatches that I review, and ask me whether it's actually IP68 or 580M or 380M means that it can go up to 30 meters or 50 meters underwater. The truth is, well, in fact it is fully waterproof and suitable for swimming and other water sports, but it's not recommended to use this for heavy water sports like diving and deep dive in the sea and fishing for Titanic and all that. That's not happening. So light water usage, yes. Swimming, yes, but not extreme diving. Raise to wake up. You can raise your wristwatch to wake up the screen. The feature comes handy when you don't have to frequently push the buttons to wake up your screen, and this is a common feature in most of the smartphones. You will notice a slight delay for the screen to come out, approximately 1 second, and that's very frustrating, but you get used to it. You can also schedule this for the daytime so you won't waste your battery during the night. The smartwatch supports real-time notification, meaning that if you can get a message on your phone, it will show up on your screen that you can read right from there. The only limitation to this feature, it keeps up the last 5 messages, but it could be fixed in the future updates. It also notifies you about the phone calls, and if you want to reject incoming calls right from your wrist, you can do that. Moreover, it shows notification of different apps on your phone such as Twitter, Line, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. If you're someone who loses his phone frequently, then Find My Phone comes in handy. However, I don't feel like this feature is very useful because you have to keep your phone in vibrate constantly to find it. So unless you're a person who keeps his phone on vibrate mode on everyday basis, this feature is more or less useless. About the weather forecast, the Tinwoo smartwatch can show you the current weather along with the forecast for more than 10 days. By scrolling through, you can see the temperatures and show how the weather is going to be like. Now we speak about some other key features which are in the smartwatch. The GPS, it doesn't come with the phone watch built in, but however you can connect the mobile phone to use your GPS of the phone. The music control can play back directly from your smartwatch, and you can control almost everything including your YouTube, Spotify, etc, etc. The camera control can take snaps from your phone just by the shake of your wrist. The dials, there are 15 dials in the smartwatch, and you can switch between sport and business style anytime, and you can also download more dials if you want, up to 3000. It is compatible with both Android and iOS, and there's sedentary reminders as well. About the battery life, the Tinwoo smartwatch can serve up to 3 weeks in a single charge. However, that depends on your usage. I've used it so far for 10 days now, testing it every day with all the notifications, and the battery is still more than 60%. So if you're a normal user, then you can drag it up to 30 days or so, and on a standby 60 days without any problems. Now I would like to tell you about the charging variants. One is with the wireless charging, and the other one is with magnetic charging port that you can plug in into the bottom and it will charge up. If you pick up the wireless charging variant, then you can place this watch on the wireless charger and it will charge up. It takes normally 2 hours to get it fully charged. Now the final conclusion. If you're on a budget, then the Tinwoo smartwatch is a great deal. It has all the necessary features like the sport mode, heart rate monitor, sleep tracking, battery life up to 2 weeks and more, and besides you won't find a smartwatch providing wireless charging feature at that price tag. While working with this watch, I've been using this watch for almost like 10 days and I think it's a good deal without worrying about anything. So if you're the kind of person which wants long battery in the smartwatch and you can use it every day and for swimming and all, and have a budget which is under $60, I think this watch works the best for you. Plus this watch also looks great. It just looks like Amazfit smartwatches, and that's I think a bit expensive than $60. So that is it for today. Hope you liked the video, and if you want to buy this watch, there are discounted links in the description below. Please share your comments for any question related to the smartwatch. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.